How to change your display name in Session application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are using the Session app and want to change your display name, then follow along. First of all, launch open the Session application on your device and make sure that you've unlocked the app and logged in to the main chat screen. Now, go to the top left corner from your chat page and tap on your name initial or your profile picture. This will open settings. Here, you'll be able to see your display name underneath your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it and then erase your current name. Write down a new one you want to change to. After you do that, click on Save. And you have changed your display name immediately. Your new display name will now appear in your profile. It is an easy way to personalize your account while keeping your private session ID unchanged. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.